In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact sensitive information in Zendesk. Whether you're ensuring compliance with data protection regulations or simply maintaining privacy, effective redaction is a critical skill. We'll walk through each step, so even if you're new to Zendesk, you'll feel confident executing these actions. First, you'll want to open the ticket that contains the information you need to redact. This is an essential step because the context of the ticket helps you locate the precise comment that holds sensitive details. Take a moment to carefully review the ticket to ensure you're addressing the correct entry. Once you've located the comment, you need to decide if it's a public or a private one. Either way, you'll then hover your mouse over the comment area. Doing this will highlight the comment and reveal some extra options which aren't initially visible. You're aiming to spot the menu, often referred to as the ellipsis or options menu. Clicking on this menu will bring up several choices, among which is the redact option. After selecting redact from the menu, you'll notice a redaction pane appear on your screen. This pane is designed to give you a clear view of the content that you can potentially remove. Now you'll want to select the specific text, link, or attachment that contains the sensitive information. It's crucial to be precise here, so if there are multiple items that need to be removed, take your time to mark each one carefully. The tool allows you to mark more than one item for redaction, which is particularly useful when you're dealing with complex comments that include different types of information. Once you're satisfied with your selections, the next step is to click on Mark for Redaction. This action isn't yet final. Think of it as tagging the content that you've identified for removal. It helps organize the items that need to be redacted, ensuring that nothing gets left behind unintentionally. Finally, to make these changes permanent, you need to click on the Redact button. It's worth noting that this step is irreversible. Once you click Redact, the selected content is permanently removed from the ticket. Confirming each piece of information before doing this is crucial because it cannot be retrieved after redaction. And there you have it, a complete guide to redacting sensitive information in Zendesk. Mastering this skill ensures you can maintain the privacy and security of your communications, keeping your customer interactions professional and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Zendesk administration skills.